Hey friends, let's jump straight into this awesome song, and with this we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a semitone or a half step. We play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just going to start with a rundown on the A string, 12th fret, and you're going to come all the way down to the 1st fret and tremolo picking there. Play an A power chord, and then we're just palm muting the open A string for 2 bars. Then play the open D and G hammer onto the 2nd fret. Do another 2 bars of the open A there, again palm muting. Do that again, open D and G, hammer onto 2nd fret, 2 bars again. And then go to the D power chord and hold that for a bar there. Then we're just going back to the start with the rundown again. And repeat that all the way through 2 times. And then the last one we finish on the D and just do the rundown on the A string again. And that gets us ready for the pre-chorus, and that's the parts to the verse. So for our pre-chorus we have 2 guitar parts. We're starting on our F power chord, so 3D, 5G. Then go to 3D, 4G, 3D, 2G, open D and G 2 times, to the A power chord, hold for a bar there, then repeat that again. Repeat the first part again, the 3 and the 5, 3 and 4, 3 and 2, open D and G 2 times, then go to a D, then just play the D again and stop. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So it's exactly the same start. Our F, coming back to 3 and 4, 3 and 2, open D and G 2 times, A. Now the second guitar we're going to play 7 on the D, 9 on the G. Come back 2 frets to 5 and 7, 2 frets to 3 and 5, and finish on 3, D, 4, G, and do that 2 times. So. 2 times there. Now the third time we just play the F again, 4 and 3, 3 and 2, the opens, and go to the D, and just do the D and stop. And they're all the parts to the pre-chorus. So for our chorus we're just playing our A power chord, then we're palm muting the open A string 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, A power chord again, palm mute the open A string 4 times, 3, 4, hold the A power chord, play an F power chord, to a D power chord, then we do the little run down 3 on the A, pull off the 2, pull off the open, and 3 on the G. And we do that 3 times. Now the 4th time we're just playing the A again, the F, and just hold the D. And that's our chorus there. So from there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. Back to the pre-chorus with the 2 guitar parts, and that's the same. Then we have this second chorus, we'll just play that for you. So the first 3 times through are going to be exactly the same as the first chorus. The A, the F, to the D, and our little run down. So 3 times there, it's the last one that changes. We do the start the same, the A, do the F, the D, then just play a C power chord 2 times. And that's our second chorus there. So for our bridge, we're going to play the open D, G and B and hammer on to the D power chord, so 2nd fret G, 3rd fret on the B. Then play that D power chord again and pull off to the open on the 2nd and 3rd fret. Then do the first one again, the opens, hammer on, then just the open D, G and B. So we have. Go to a G power chord and do down, up, down to the A power chord. 2 more on the A. Do the hammer-ons again, exactly the same. Then just play the F power chord, 3, D, 5, G and stop. An E power chord and play the open E and B string as an upstring. And that's our bridge there. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Now I'll just talk you through this because it's basically the chorus. So same as the chorus, the A with the palm mutes. A, our F to our D and our little fill. Do that 3 times, and the 4th time, A, F, D, our fill. Then just hold the A for 4 bars there, then play A again and stop. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. From there we have a break and we don't play, and then we have the outro, so let's look at that. So for our chorus and our outro, we're just doing the slide down again on the A string, same as the intro. Now for this chorus, we're just holding the A power chord for a bar, 2, 3, 4, and again. F to our D, to our little pull-offs again, 3, 2, open to 3E. Do that 4 times, and then we have this last part. We're going to play an A power chord, 7 on the D, 9 on the G, 3 palm mutes on the A, 1, 2, 3, and then just go back 2 frets to 5 and 7. 3 palm mutes again on the A, and then we're going back to 3D, 5G, 3D, 4G, open D and G, 2nd fret, and then back to our 3 palm mutes on the A again. Do that 3 times, and the last one, the start's the same. And just finish on the 2 on the D and the G. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start with a trill between 5 and 7 on the D and the G string, so just hammer on and pull offs. But we're going to run our finger down the harmonics on the D string, so just touching the D string. Then we're going to do 5, hammer on to 7 on the D, 5G, back to 7D, again on the 7D, 5G, 7D, 7D. Then we've got this little run up, 7 on the D 3 times, 9 on the D 3 times, 10 on the D 3 times, 7 on the G 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 9 on the G, 1, 2, 3, then play A to E 10 on the B. Then we're going to do a bend on the 8th fret B with a pinched harmonic. Play 5G, 7D, do 5 on the D, bend the 5G, back to D, 5, 7. Then we're going to bend the 7th fret G and hold the 5th fret B. Move up to 10 and 8, so we're bending 10 on the G. 12 and 10 and bend the 12. Then we're playing 17 E, do 14, 15, 14 on the E string, hammer on and pull off. 17 on the B, then do 12, 14, 12, hammer on and pull off on the E, 15 on the B. Then we've got this little pattern here, we're going to do 14, hammer on to 17, pull off to 14, 15, 17, 15, 14. Then we're going to come back to the 12th fret on the B and do the same pattern, 12, 15, 12, 13, 15, 13, 12. Come to the 11th fret on the G and we're doing the same pattern again 3 times. So 11, 14, 11, 12, 14, 12 and repeat that 3 times. 12D, 12 on the A, slide down. Then we're doing a pinched harmonic with a bend again on the 8th fret, 5th on the E. Bend the 7th fret on the G and do a tap on the 10th fret on that G as well. Then we've got this last little part, we're going to use the same legato pattern. 5 on the G, 5, 9, 5, 7, 9, 7 and do that 2 times. Slide back to the 4 and the same pattern, 4, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 4, 2 times. Back to the 2 on the G, same pattern again, 2, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, and 2 times there. And finish on that 2 on the G. And they're all the parts to the solo. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed I Want to Be Somebody Guitar Lesson by Wasp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s and 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.